of October 2013. Let's start our one assembly.
Class in harmony, and the second one, class photo taking. Okay, the class in harmony will take place during the reading lesson and the first lesson tomorrow. Okay, and the second photo taking event is the class photo taking. I think all of you should know which lesson to go to the school hall and take the picture. But please listen to the announcement. Okay. Hear the name of your class and then you go to the school hall to take the picture.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
各位同學早晨。
早晨。
Very nice. I hope you have a good day today. As a happy Halloween. This is a Halloween today. And if you remember on Tuesday morning, Mr. Watson introduced to you the Halloween cultures and some interesting stuff about that. Congratulations. Oh, so please come. And I forgot to bring my prize. Can someone special take the prize to me? Can someone special take the prize to us? Do you see anyone special? Oh! Thank you, Mr. Kwok, and congratulations to Cynthia.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Okay, so first of all, during your English classes today, there will be a lot of special Halloween activities. Now, also, you will see all of the English teachers are carrying something like this, which is full of what? Absolutely. Now, if you want some, you will have to say, trick or treat. Okay, so thank you, Richard. Okay, so then after school in the hall there's something very special which English Society and Mr. Tao and Mr. Kwok have been working very hard on, which is a special Halloween house, which will be lots of fun, lots of activities. But if you want to take part in that, please fill in a form and register beforehand. Okay. Also in the hall there will be a special Halloween makeup and photo session. So we invite you all to take part in that. So,
I'm Adina Kwok from Sesame. I would like to introduce a colloquial term to you. Dog ears. Dog ears is a colloquial term used to describe the action of holding earlier in the corner of a page in a book. When we dog ear a page, we go in the corner to remember this place at which we stop reading. Dog ear is the adjective. When the corner of a page is folded, you can describe it as being a dog-eared page.
Muslims around the world celebrate two festivals. One is Eid Fitr and the other one is Eid al-Adha. And this morning I'm going to talk about Eid al-Adha. When we say slaughtering, it means they are killing animals. Before the festival, after the prayer, they will put the part of the anyone. What they do is that they approach the person and say sorry.
The first Congress Cabinet United got 151 votes, while the second Congress Cabinet Brave got 197 votes. It means that the winning cabinet is number 2, Brave. Let us invite Brave. Congratulations. Let us invite our Vice Principal, Mr. Kwok, to present the pledges for the Student Union.
principal, teachers, and students. I'm Levi Choi from 5A, the president-elect of the student union. Thank you for your support. Being the student union of this year, we will try our best to be the communication channel between the students and the school and organize more activities for you. We will do our best. Thank you.
Number 5. There is no formal call program today. For one student, please take a note. Again, there is no formal call program today. For one student, please take a note. Number 6. The hall is closed today and tomorrow. Number 7. All English Society Committee members, drama committee members, please see Ms. Chow, Ms. Karen at 1:48 p.m. at the English corner. Number 8. Students who have participated in the school harmony parents program, please see Ms. Chow in the Rainbow Garden after the morning assembly. Repeat. Students who have participated in the school harmony parent program, please see Ms. Chow in the Rainbow Garden after the morning assembly. And the last announcement will be, may all school bus riders please stay behind after the morning assembly. And that's the end of today's morning assembly. Please go back to your classroom in the usual order. Thank you.
All IT ambassadors, please go to the Rainbow Garden now. All school bus riders, please come out